I would like to thank you, Stacy, for being yourself. In every moment that we spent together, I felt you and I were present. There were no walls. You were 100% you, and you gave 100% of who you are to me, and that was a huge blessing. You made me smile. You kind of took care of me while I was taking care of you. And you gave me an unforgettable experience, and you taught me so much about hope and joy and grace under pressure. I will never forget you. God bless you.
Thank you, Stacy, for all that you're doing for the American Cancer Society and the fight against cancer, and for your volunteers. You are such a treasure to all of us, and I know that this job is really hard and exhausting, and I know you spend a lot of time on the road and a lot of late hours working, and I just want you to know we all really appreciate it. Your coworkers, your supervisors, and your volunteers. Your hard work is truly priceless, and I just want you to know how much we appreciate it and you, and just want to thank you for everything you do.
Stacy, thanks for trusting me and all of our staff and Dr. Gimmel with your care and with Hank's care, and thanks for reaching out to other patients. It's very important. People really appreciate that, and it's a good way to make a positive impact in our community.
So Stacy, we would all like to thank you for what you do for us and what you've brought to us. Through working with American Cancer Society, through just being who you are and being available when we need things or other patients need someone to talk to. You've always been there for us, and I think that everyone here so greatly appreciates you.